Hello friends, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to design this beautiful 7 steps infographic in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to insert, shapes, all shape, shift, hold, shift, alt and drag, align to the middle, go to shape outline, make it gray dark, go to dashes and make it dashes, control D to duplicate it and reduce the circle more, little more, and no outline, shape fill, go to white, we will give it some shadow effect. I think this is okay. Go to transparency 80 and size will be 103%, blur little bit. Okay, go to this triangle shape and place it here. Go to shape outline, make it gray dark, shape fill, no fill, control D to duplicate it and edit shape. Take an anchor point here by pressing control and here select open path, delete this and delete this anchor point. Okay, go to insert, all shape by holding shift alt key and drag it, make it no outline, shape fill, gray dark and place in this corner, in the center of this corner. Select Ctrl G to group it, place it here on this corner and Ctrl D to place it here. Okay, Ctrl D to duplicate it, place on the second corner, align perfectly and okay, Ctrl D to duplicate it and place on the third one corner and align perfectly. Yes, it's okay. Okay, go, I have written some text to save the time. Ctrl C and Ctrl V and select, place it here, infographic design templates. Okay, go to select all and move it the left. Okay, round rectangle, it's okay. We will check that the text is placing here or not. It's okay, make it round, give it some color, shape outline, make it no outline. Take the all shape, shift and alt, hold shift and alt key and place it here. We will make it a more little, the all shape and place. It's okay now. Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the effects to the other shape. We'll give it this color. Okay, and make its color white. Make this text color also white. Okay, now place on this shape. It's okay. We will reduce its transparency and size, also blur. Okay, select all and place it here. Okay, Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D 7 times. Control D. Okay. Reduce the circle and place it here. Here we will take 7 points on this dashes circles. We will take 7 points here. 3, Control D to duplicate it. Align perfectly. Control D to duplicate it, place it here. Okay. Place it here. And Control D to duplicate it and place it at the center. Make these all shapes very carefully that the distance okay, take this color, select and take this color, select all threes, and by eyedrop take this color, select all three shapes and take this color, select and select by holding shift and pick the eyedropper and take this color. Okay, select all three shapes, go to shape fill to pick the eyedropper and take this color. Okay, shape fill, eyedropper and take this color. Okay, we will write some text. 0 1. I think Oswald is okay. Make it bold and place it here. Oh yes, Control D to duplicate it, place it here. Control D to duplicate it, Control D to duplicate it. I think so. We will make it at the center of the shape, at the end of the center of the shape. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Okay, and put it here. 2 3 4. Okay, 7 6. Make all in group separately. Okay, make it all in group separately. Make Control G to group it and Control G to group it. Then take a line segment and place it here. Make it a dark gray. end arrow will take, and begin arrow will also be taken. Size, we will make it size bigger. Yes, it's okay. Drag it here and place here. Control D to duplicate it. Okay, yes. Okay, place and align to the top. Okay, place and align to the second one. Oh, Control D to duplicate it. Place it here. Place it here. Okay, that's okay. Now we'll take align segment by Control D to duplicate it, and these line segment will go to the desired written text. Okay, it's okay. Go to okay, select all and place at the center of the slide. We will take some icon. We need 7 icons, I think so. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Insert, bring it to the slide. Reduce its size by holding Shift Alt. Give its color to white, and now place one by one to the on these shapes, on these all shapes, place one by one. That's all for now. And friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get the latest design. Place all icons on these all shape. Okay. It will